Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a dedicated business calendar inside your Google account so events don't mix with personal items. Open Calendar, click plus to add a new calendar, name it for the project or team, then set the default time zone and working hours. Once done, invite colleagues and assign proper permission levels, editor for managers, viewer for observers, because permissions control edits and privacy. This prevents accidental changes and keeps ownership clear as you move into scheduling recurring workflows. Next, you build actual events and automate recurring work. Create an event, paste an agenda into the description, attach documents, and add Google Meet or custom conferencing links so everything is in one place. Use recurrence rules for weekly stand-ups, color code by project, and save templates for repeat meetings. This saves time and avoids inconsistent setups. Make sure to add guests, set RSVP and visibility options, and configure push or email notifications so participants get timely reminders. Finally, integrate and share your calendar to complete the workflow. Connect Calendar with Gmail, Drive, and Tasks for one-click access to attachments and invites, and use delegation for assistants to manage schedules. Publish availability or share specific calendars with teams to reduce double booking. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by checking permissions, confirming time zone settings, and looking for overlapping events or conflicting recurrence rules. Often resetting a guest's permissions or toggling visibility fixes. Sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.